Hi, my name is Jetty Sangster. I'm a sales lead at Delaware, Singapore, and today we're going to be talking about rapid application development. Like the name suggests, it's an agile software development methodology that focuses on building applications in a very short amount of time by using low code or even no code. So for example, where with traditional coding it takes you months to develop an application, with rapid application development you can have one in weeks. The possibilities are endless for optimizing any of your business processes with RAD. For example, you can create a service and maintenance management platform or an employee application like onboarding, where new employees can go to track their recruitment process up to where they can digitally meet their new team and start company training. Or you could build a vendor service support platform where vendors can check status of their products, their invoices, and stay in contact with your organization. So besides the fact that you can substantially reduce your time to market for any application to go live, RAD is innovation driven and embraces change. It's very hands-on with many integration options. It empowers your employees and users by being able to let them co-develop, and it reduces your total cost of ownership by keeping your core system clean.